days. Christmas dinner we cooking. First thing first. First thing up. Pork in the oven. So the oven has been preheated already, so first thing first. Put some pork in that. Ooh, that's hot. Let's see, where's my baking ring? There it is. Let's see. Just gonna use a pirate dish. Put a small amount of oil in that. Who's so much in?
They picked the nice toy is like 100 or something. I said that who's going to pay? He says like Aiden needs to pay. I said it's his birthday. So, okay, I will pay. Where's your money? I'm going to give you my money. 不要拿走，不走。
So I have a nice piece of pork here. Look at that. It's been seasoned from like 4 or 5 days now, so that's well marinated. Put it right up in there. Yeah. Since you're here next to I pre-did everything already, so some mashed potato.
I want lunch.
Yeah, what do you want to eat? You didn't tell me what you want to eat. Can you not stay there? The stove is on, please. Can you stay there and put your order in? No, sister.
I want that chicken on the
I
top.
have other options.
Can I see that chicken for a second?
It's not chicken.
What is it? Let me try to bite it.
First of all, it's this.
Radisha.
It's dipped.
Hey!
吃蛋糕。
Take it up and put it back. Trishisa.
Portable drawing.
That can washed off?
No, they gave you a paper. So if you go outside, you can do.
Oh.
I don't think that's that idea. This is the car set. It's a tiny car.
Oh.
I prefer this brand. You can play.
I want some more.
然后或是这个 piano，这个我自己很喜欢，还可以唱歌。下面一个 piano，一个是 DJ set。Even comes a microphone, you can sing. Which one? 两个都买吗？
等一下。
啊。
哎，我也要我。
What's inside those?
I don't want to eat too much of the glaze. Let me take off some of the glaze.
I want to eat some of these, the stuff that is inside out.
Yeah, that's what I want. 哎？
你也忙，我可以去外面拍照。
可以去啊。手续呢？来吃吗？ Alright, so make some mashed potato. They're dropping all over the floor. Be careful. Can you stand by that side, please? Next thing, we're gonna cook some mutton. So, first thing first, let's put the mutton on the stove. Ugh. This part over there. This can go over here for now. Thinking about cooking rice and peas on the stove, or maybe put it in the rice cooker. Yeah, I don't know at Christmas you can't cook an hour or something, isn't it? You can take it with you. Stay one place and eat so you don't have the crumbs all over the place. There you go. Wait, take it with you. Let me break it in two for you guys. So half for you and half for him, okay? Be careful. Be careful. Take it up. Come, there you go. Alright, there you go. Alright. Take it with you. Do you need a fork?
No.
No? Don't get it on that thing, okay? Don't get it on that.
On the money?
Yeah. Here you go. Share it with each other. Let me pull your sleeves up. Wait. Give me a moment. Alright, there you go. So we're gonna use this spot right here to cook the curry good. Some oil inside of that. Don't know we cook Jamaican curry different. Get the oil at the temperature. These are some steel pots, they don't like locking the heat. We're gonna make a little bit mashed potato on this side. Everything has been pre-done already, so. And I'm making curry with a twist. I'm gonna use some Japanese curry already. So see, goat well seasoned up. Long time. Rub some curry on it already, but also gonna use some Japanese curry. And this is what Japanese. Bye, Justin. This is what Japanese curry looks like. It's fine, you can share it. This is what Japanese curry looks like. It's like a brick. It's not like powder. Alright, that's up there. Keep a little bit of that. Pork is in the oven. Goat is gonna go here. What's wrong? Wait. Can you share that with him? No fighting. Yeah, well, no fighting. You guys can share together.
And have to satisfy.
You can still give him more. I can give you guys more cookies as well. But you don't want to eat too much, right?
You want cookies? Are you?
That's
I
scary.
want chocolate muffin.
The what? There's no more of those. Those are finished.
The chocolate muffin?
They're all finished.
Let's see.
Yeah, those are finished.
The chocolate muffin?
Yeah, they're all finished.
Wow.
Come on, it's not cheese.
I want chocolate muffin.
Yeah, but there are no more. Can you not do that in the kitchen now, please? There's no more. It's finished.
I want blueberries.
Yeah, you can get that.
A bunch of blueberries on my plate.
Can you take the plate and bring it back over here, please?
I want blueberries and cheese.
Cheese? No, that's...
Just one cheese.
No.
Please.
No, I'm not going to give you any cheese with that. You just had that thing already.
I want to put it like on top.
No, bring the plate.
Ugh.
There you go. Come over here. Hold the plate up. There you go.
And also cheese.
No! Oh. If you have stomachache, do not come calling to me, okay?
What is that?
If you have stomachache, do not come calling to me. Alright, get some onions,
I won't.
some scallions, some more garlic. Yeah, we had some season, but later we're gonna season the pot some more, so we just get some more stuff. Over here. Can you close that door over there, please?
Which door?
That door over there. That one.
You talking about that room door? I also closed.
Come to wash your hands. Come. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Next time. Wait. Wait, don't move. What are you doing? You know what this child is doing? Can you go that side with that, please? Not in the kitchen. Thank you. Can you just go? Stop. Don't do that. That's very rude, okay? You ask him for it. You don't carry in someone's plate, okay? Ask him if he can have some. Did you ask him? Yeah, ask him if he can give him some. Share it.
I'm
Hey.
not eating that cheese. I'm gonna do that.
Give him both of them. Share with him.
I don't want to give him that cheese.
Why? There's more.
It's only for me.
No, it's for both of you.
And the cheese,
Don't be mean.
the cheese is only for me.
什么 cheese？你想要互伊食？啊，等我今两个拢互伊食，你莫食蛋糕。Because I don't like to share.
Yeah.
Because Aaron's the one.
Yeah. Alright.
Is that fun already?
Big ship sailing on the ocean.
Had fun.
你那锅不要热了，再下油才不会腻。
Hold it up.
它不要太热哦。
I know. I'm not putting it inside of there. We're making rice and peas, but guess what? We still not going the hard way. We have some canned bean, some coconut milk. Alright, that is it. But in all truth and in fact, I'm still not using the stove to cook the rice and peas. Rice cooker I do it. Good? See? Where's their key? Oh, okay. Sushi sauce. Sushi.
I told you there are buns. The one you made the other day.
He doesn't. Do you want the buns? He doesn't want
里
it.
面有 cheese，你不要吃哦。
You want some
Cheese sandwich.
cheese with bread?
Get cheese.
Bye
I
bye.
want to eat
Hey, don't put your finger there.
I want to eat the cheese that I ate earlier.
What? Oh, that one with the bread?
Yeah, all the
Wait, stop. You can't go outside now. Later. Wait, take the cheese.
Okay.
You want this as well?
What?
Okay, I'll put the cheese inside the board of you, okay?
Well,
Stand back there. Stand there. Don't go so close. What if you knock you over?
I took 2 cheeses, one for Ada, one for me.
Okay. One is good enough.
What?
One
Okay,
is- Wait.
I'll take the other one and put it back.
Yeah.
Or I'll just eat it.
No, put it back.
Okay,
Too
I'll
much.
just put it back. Yeah.
You're eating too much dairy. One for you, one for both. I'll cut this into back. Can you close this? Or do you want me to cut it this way or this way? Which way?
This way.
This way?
So each of us has.
Wait, don't put your finger there.
Or Dad might cut your hand off.
Okay, wait. This is, you guys need one more plate or one plate is good?
Just like,
Here.
I guess one.
Oh, I'll give you 2 different plates.
I'll,
Here you
I'll
go.
take this one.
Bring this for potato plate.
There
you go. Okay. Back to reality now. There, fine now. Alright, I smell the oil. The oil is coming up. Let's see how hot the oil is. Before we put the goat inside. Alright, yeah. That seems that it's going somewhere. So first thing first, we're gonna burn some curry powder. Yeah. Get that burned off. Smell the curry.
Daddy,
Yeah.
you know that.
Wait, I'll talk to you soon. Can you eat? Turn on the vacuum. Alright. Now got these. We're gonna take this to the side with the onion and stuff, but piece of ginger. Nothing to worry about. Yeah. Yeah, Merry Christmas to England. Or happy holidays to you. Got essence. Let me get my where's my wooden spoon? They're all using a wooden spoon. One thing I like with these steel pots, they keep the heat. Once you get them hot, the right temperature, they won't stick.
You didn't eat the red. You didn't want to.
Put it in the oven. Do that for 30 minutes first.
I will put my dad in the water.
Let's go on. Alright, let's test these potatoes. Not really making a lot of food because can't waste food, yeah? Alright, let's test it. Oh, those are not cooked yet. We just put the lid on this pot. Drop the steam inside so the potatoes will boil a bit faster. Alright, let's put this here. Finished? Are you good now? Okay.
What are you making?
Dinner.
Dinner? Now it's already dinner time?
Not yet, but I'm gonna make it from early. It's Christmas Day today. I don't want to be cooking in the kitchen at 5, 6 p.m.
Can I have that?
Uh,
So,
no.
I want to know what is that.
You know what it is already. You have some pots on your tray.
I want it now.
Yeah, well, you're not gonna get it. Go wash your hands, please.
Eat that kind of flavor.
You add it. See? Same thing I talked to you about. You're doing the same thing again. Go to wash your hands. You have pastry in your mouth.
I didn't have that kind of flavor.
Yeah?
Yeah, I did it.
Nice cozy day. Trying to fire up like that. I'm not sure how tough the pork or the mutton is. How long it's gonna take to cook, but steel pot will do the job. Getting color already. So we're gonna, in the meantime, that goes there. We're gonna use some Japanese curry as well. See? This is Japanese curry. So we use our like authentic Jamaican curry, but in the midst of it, we're gonna have this brick curry inside. This is Japanese curry. Gonna put peas inside from earlier. Yeah, later on we're gonna put peas inside. But guess what? Happy holidays. Cheers. Yeah? This is a nice drink as well. Like a sour raspberry. It's nice. Very nice. It's like a vodka kind of thing, like a cocktail vodka like. It's very nice. Like you can add stuff to it and you can just drink it same way. I drink it the same way. Yeah, you don't know the Kumor? Gagawa siya ta this. Good Jamaican Jerry and nephew. Anyways. Gonna get some hot water on the goat meat, submerge all of them, and cover the pot. The first time I'm trying meat from that store, so I don't know how tender the meat is cooked from over there, but guess what? Start from early. Submerge everything in the water, and cover it. Should be good. So give that like, I'm not even gonna open that pot until like 30 minutes later. Potatoes over here now. Alright, that's good. That is good. Just gonna strain it off. Use this bowl here. Here it is. Put it right here. See? I'm gonna mash it out now. Smashed it out. Right here. Just smash that out right there, and then let's see what we're gonna have inside. Okay. Just gonna have a little bit of milk. What else? Cream. I was thinking about having a little bit of cream inside. Let's have a little bit of cream inside. So not gonna have it. A little bit of cream and a little bit of butter inside of that. Yeah. I made my veggies already. This is my homemade coleslaw right here. Look at that, beautiful. That's my homemade coleslaw. And some salad, like some tomato and some cucumbers on the side as well. Pork is in the oven. Mutton is on the stove. And my chicken is almost ready as well, so everything is on the smooth sailing. Smooth sailing. Just cooking and chilling, yeah? No rush. Don't rush the rush and waste the paint, yeah? Alright, so let's just crush this out right here and then before it gets to room temperature. You know what? Just gonna use a fork. Or even use this spoon right here. Not gonna have a lot of butter inside. That's good enough. That. A little bit of cream. Oh. Alright. See where that goes. So a bit more cream inside of there. Merry Christmas, everyone. Welcome to my live. How is everyone Christmas going? If you celebrate Christmas, because I know not everyone celebrates it. Just to be sure, let me give my pot a prep. See what's going on inside there. steam is building up. That's for sure. But you can't be too sure. Alright, that's good. Just curious. Alright, stay right there. And this is my favorite series. I'm gonna add a little bit on it. See this? Can't go wrong with this one. Just a little bit of flavor inside here. Or my kids would like it after they taste this inside there. Okay, that's good. 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 I'm not making it too salty because if I make it too salty when I had gravy on it or anything like that, it's gonna be too much of a strong taste. Come on, that's good enough for me. Should I keep it in this bowl or should I put it in something else? I should be fine there anyways. Yeah, there it is. My homemade mashed potato. There, take up this. Oh, almost knocked it over. Anyways, now get back to this. Cleaning as I go. Because I don't want to be putting in like 20 plates or pots or anything over there. What are you doing? Did you eat the stuff? Why are you feeding it to the toy? No, he doesn't eat those. He eats different stuff. Do not do that, please. Eat your stuff. He's not hungry. What, don't tell me dinosaurs hungry? Before I do anything else, I'm gonna check the pork. Been inside the oven for over like 20 minutes now. See what's going on with that. Oh, that's coming along nicely. This is coming along nicely. Alright, cool. This is probably not gonna work. I need a bigger one. Away from this side. Alright. Turn it over. everything inside of there. Oh, that smells very nice. Because that pork been seasoned over a week now almost. For a few days. I don't remember which day exactly, but it's seasoned a few days now. Blends and herbs and everything. In the meantime now, as I said earlier, I'm using my measuring cup. I'm using canned peas. One cup of water firstly. Turn it on. Get up to boiling temperature. So I'm using canned peas and the canned coconut milk as well. This can go from here. This fruits, this cake will also go from over here. Them out of the way. Here's my. Alright, so let's open up this. So here's the plan now. I'm not gonna cook the rice and peas on the stove. I'm gonna use my rice cooker, which is very fascinating. Very easy. Because once you put it inside, you don't need to do nothing. Just let the rice cooker do its job. And we're just being lazy. Did not working. Why is this thing ready to test my patience today? This thing decides to act up today. But of all the days. Just tighten it up and go the opposite way then. Okay. This guy. Alright. So you wanna go? Let's go that way then. Alright. Let's go. Okay, slipping again. Alright. That's good enough. Two opposite sides are not cut. You ever seen anything like this before? Both opposite sides of each other is not cut. Alright, I know what never fails me yet. What never fails me? My knife never fails. See? Knife never fails me. Alright, I go over here. Peas inside the water. Stay there now, please. Don't go to the bathroom for water.
In the bath.
No, he's not in the bathroom. He's over there in that room over there. Yeah, he's not in the bathroom. So the piece is there. Next thing next. piece of garlic. And a piece of scallion. And this is gonna go inside later. But here I do this, I boil up on the stove a piece of it. Then I will wash the rice in this. And after I wash the rice in this, I'll pour everything from this pot inside here. Then I'll have the coconut milk. Then if I need more water, I'll add it on top of it. And then I'll just put it in the rice cooker and let the magic happen. No need to even check on it again. Until I'm ready to like stir the rice and the peas together to make it more like, just to like mix it so the peas goes everywhere in the rice. And that being said, now let's wash the rice. Alright. I'm not playing the water. Can you turn off the lights in the bathroom, please? Right, so the rice has been washed right here. Just gonna pour everything over there. And I'm not gonna add any water as yet because guess what? My rice needs to be shelly. Yeah? This thing I'll test me here. Alright, there we go. We got a perfect cut this time. Look at that. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Just come with the temperature now. Just pour it on the rice and eyeball it. See, the thing is, rice and peas don't need one bag of thing to taste nice. People put different kind of thing in the rice and peas. Just take away the authenticity of rice and peas. Even though what I'm making now is not like the authentic way we would make it. You grate the coconut and juice the coconut and all that. But I mean, like, adding a lot of season, like all-purpose season, this kind of season. Rice and peas don't need that. Rice and peas just to be nice and your meat and everything and little flavor to it, I don't know. You have some planting and all of the planting them start to spoil. Well, can't believe them turn black. But I'm gonna see what I get out of this because rice and peas, me like have rice and peas with a little bit of planting on the side. But so we'll get out of this too, Fingers crossed. So I bought a little bit of salt, not much. The peas are already cooked, so I don't need to get that boiling or anything. I just need to get it with the stove temperature. Right there. Alright. That time won't look like the water is with this. So I don't do now. Just gonna pour out this water. Pour up the excess water, add the peas, if for any reason or the other, this rice may need water, I will have the excess water to add back to it. It comes from the coconut milk earlier and the peas. So I took out the other garlic as well earlier. So what I'll do now is just have like another piece of garlic inside and just put it in the rice cooker and let it do its job. And then now, I don't need to worry if rice and peas are burnt up. I know. That is good. Over there. See what's going on for the moment now. Now cook over here so I go. Smelling nice too. Alright. Also, let's see what's going on for the pork. But first, cheers again. Happy holidays. That hit the spot. Yeah, there I go. The hardest part of cooking is cleaning up. The hardest part of cooking is cleaning up. But no one do. We all can agree to that, not true? So clean up and everything, we alright. Okay. Let out some of that steam there. And then now, checking out the oven, see what I go on over this. Cool. It's nothing to do this. Alright. Check on the port now. Okay. Pork is getting some add a little glaze. cooking, like not even cooking, when I'm making stuff in the oven, I like that crunchy taste. Not something like I'm eating rubber. So you are going. So then you turn off the heat and turn on the broil and turn it over. And give each side like 5 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes on each side. Look at that. Get the side crispy. So inside is gonna be very soft and tender, while outside is gonna be crispy and crunchy and nice. Working at oven. What over there, sir? Minding one business. And rice and peas there, sir. Mind film one business. Chicken almost done. Go back now oven. Look a bit after, go finish up. But you know the chicken and the pork have time difference, you know? You really want to do the chicken too early. Alright, so let that go on. Start out the marinade over there, so glaze. For the glaze, just like the blend up season that I had earlier from the pork. Just like I thought this is a soybean sauce on it, so you can just keep this out right here, so see 'em. Is that gonna be over? Alright, so while that's going on, wash these few dishes and also slice up the onion and the garlic and all these things. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Jerry, what's up? Yeah, cook some Christmas dinner, you know? Cook some Christmas dinner and have a look at one drink, you know what I think, go? Yeah, man. Another year, you know? Giving thanks for life. Enjoying the festive season as well. So that will finish this one now, so this can go right this one. That is for the goat. Yeah, true, yeah man. So busy these days, you know? That is life, more while. Then say, go on, go there, nose up the road. Alright, so I'm scaling over that. Need more ginger. Because we all know, so when we season the food, like with the garlic and everything like that, we blend up. We still need to add back some more when it almost finished cook. Kind of revamp some more flavor in the food, you know? Yeah, man, but thing goes still in one, you know? Alright. One thing with the money nowadays, the money is strong, eh, man. The money come out, them put amino acid for them. The way they're strong. And then put them in the money acid in my cat, them knock you out. Start crying immediately. I get the I probably need to wear glasses. Yeah. You give them money, and even if you put in that cold water, I feel like the cold water got help minimize the onion strongness. But I don't help. Anyways, out of these two onions, you like onion? But guess what? I don't like cut it up. I'm pretty sure when you cut the chopping board, see that the scent just ricochet back half of the chopping board into your face. Like it is a crime. When I'm cutting on, if I don't have to cut it on the chopping board, I don't cut it because you don't really need to do precise cuts, you know what I mean? just cleaned over there. Get half the chip, the track and everything, but I don't put it on the chopping board because they sent just ricochet back half of the chopping board and he and their eyes and crying. Like somebody beat it. Cooking without onion is like cooking, not cooking at all. You have to have onion and garlic, you know, and then thing like that. Well, as a Caribbean people, I would say, in most cases. Alright, so later, this is what I'm going to add on the curry goat over there. So that young one say this one now. That's good. In the meantime now, wash up the plate. Wash the dishes them now. Make sure the plate's clean. One thing is missing for the cookment and some sorry. Add some sorry that one wood. But oh, this is what it is, you know, and I can give thanks, no. Merry Christmas, welcome to my life. What are you guys doing? It's over here. Alright. It's coming. It's getting there. Yeah, it's gonna be nice as well. We try to get a fork and see if we can go inside of it. Once the fork can go inside the meat, then you know it's tenderized already. Ooh. Alright, that's a little bit brown. Too brown, let's see. Okay. Ooh. Alright. It's okay. Even though there got a little bit too brown. Looks like some juice in there. So another trick someone taught me before, whenever like you have meat and it gets too brown, just use some pineapple soda or pineapple juice or whatever you have and glaze it back over. And it will help with the taste, so it doesn't taste burnt or anything like that. With a little bit of pineapple soda, that's good enough. Pour it over it. And that should do the trick. Try it if it ever happens to you. There's plenty of ways to do stuff, you just want to know. Just gotta know. Alright. Time for this side now. Get the broil. Submerge them one more time. And that should do the trick. Most times people use pressure pot, but you know what? I don't like pressure cooker. I don't like it. So I'm gonna have to take the long road. Right. Right. So now I'm gonna have the last piece of brick curry inside of that. Bring up the flavor. There we go. That's it for curry inside of it. Only thing left to do, season it up later with some herbs and stuff. Also gonna have more garlic inside. Garlic. That curry should be rich now. Very rich. Yeah, look at it. It's getting there. The fork can go through. Not yet, not quite yet. See, it's going through, but not as easy as I want it to. So let it cook. Alright. See the port now. Let's get in here 5 minutes. Alright. Should be good now. So now I'm gonna slice into this. Then I'll see what I'm working with. Short knife. Sharp knife. Fork. Alright. See what inside looks like. What do you think? Good enough? Listen, when I'm cooking, you can't cook at night, change the pot. So I've been in the oven for like, keep the oven on there. See that? Very juicy. For this, I'm taking out this container, put in a different container.
Where are they?
They're in the room.
For what?
one container. Too much water, so. Okay, so since I took this out already, I'm gonna eat it. Very good. Too much water. Yeah.
It's just like people walking around.
Alright. We'll slice it up. Did I you in, man?
Huh?
You went far?
To the Christmas tree.
Not bien, that's not it.
TV.
Oh.
Déjame ver. 4?
Hang on. I almost street.
我要弄蛋糕，看我才有蛋糕。没想到。
Not sure I didn't check the time. I'm gonna use that same container just to clean it out.
Where's my cream? Did you use it?
In there, yeah.
Oh. 什么水跑出来了？
I think this one, yesterday. Very sour. Alright. Alright. Who? Oh. Alright, so work is back to the clay container. Oil is gone. Pop it back in. Timer. 10 minutes. Chicken going back in next day. You getting it, Lama? Something wrong with your height, is that? You know, nothing. Oh, that's what I mean. Hmm? I know. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, turn out.
我拍到了，这
Yeah.
种人用小火炖就好，那么大会糊在一起。
我有炸，刚刚我有炸水啊，有一次。
我这个才好。好便宜。
Where we at now? One thing cooking the ginger is always like a nice part of it. Over there. That's what I call it.
哦，奇怪，
I'm hungry.
你放这里干嘛？你这样不会干啊？你看着。
If the month is a marathon, not a sprint.
Yeah, now it's
Not a sprint. Marathon. It's a longer term treatment. Alright, rice and peas done. Rice and peas are ready. Shoulder. Oh, you can do it. There you go. Get the dirty weight. Right, so Oregon has to be cooked one more time before I can put it inside. Submerge water again. Work on chicken and enjoy themselves. Rice and peas over there, so everybody happy? Yes. Christmas Day again. Hey, take us a cage and cheese. There you go. 我看。
不要。
不是里面啊，是这个。
This?
Yes.
Yeah.
Slowly, slowly. By the time I'm finished cooking, I'll be full. Cheese and cake. The crust on the cake with cheese. And a sip of the Red Hypnotic. See that? No, I thought.
你这样开大很快就没有水了。
Because
是要把它炖烂不是吗？
yeah.
那要开小慢慢炖啊。
Oh.
你开那么大，它只会一直啵啵啵，它不会把它炖烂。
不是不是。
等一下我晚上就要约吃饭就会睡，然后床上睡觉。 Martin, the stuff is done. The food is done.
Oh. You can stay inside the yard for another 10 minutes.
那你可以蒸一下这里。
I just put them inside there. They look good.
拿这个就没有烘干的功能，
嗯
很讨厌。That you cannot dry those. It has to be everything.
Timer.
Anything that I can spin by itself?
Huh?
Is there anything that I can spin by itself?
Oh. Yeah.
Where's that thing that I bought for Greenie Bamford with the shoes?
Come on.
红色的那个。
Let's see. Pretty good. Pork is going inside of it, huh? Let's try it. Good. I had to clean it.
Found it.
Oh,真的。
你这个地方还要用吗？
I'm gonna clean it up.
这是什么东西？
Salt.
这是给小孩哦。
Hmm?
This is kids.
What? Oh, my own. They try to shred.
什么意思？
不是意思。
哎，我用哪个？用哪个？
Okay, that's the last lap. Or just use the water. Huh? Okay, let me check the rice. Yeah.
Can I move this?
Oh, yeah.
If I use this, then it can spin.
What about the? What if you? Spin on it.
No, no, no.
哦，没有这个。
放掉这种哪里可以？
Oh, okay.
Chicken. This is like a dye.
啊？
This is like a dye.
哪一个啊？
Is on your fingers?
有，我也是。
flag with me first.
Huh?
Talk about this on flag.
Yeah, but I don't use.
This is a magnet.
No, I don't stick on it, okay. Spin. Cheese. Still need to put this on. The paper is thick, see?
Yeah.
Why are you eating?
我没有吃东西啊。我
我要吃到
这个
蛋糕啊。Not bad.
Alright, let's see what's going on. Alright. There we go. Lucci should probably go a little longer, right?
Ah.
Yeah. Probably turn on the grill on these.
那你先煎一煎啊。
I can put it on. Probably got 5 more minutes.
One side done.